Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve some exponential equations, and we're going to do it by writing each of these in terms of the same base. On the left here we have 3 to the x is equal to 81. Well, this is base 3, so I got to think of 81 in base 3. So let's see here, 3, 9, 27, 81. That's 3 to the 4th power. So what we're going to have is 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the 4th power, which means that x is equal to 4. On the right, we have 32x is equal to 8. And I'm going to take the smaller one. 8 is equal to, let's see here, it'll give us 8, 64, that's more than 32. So you know what, I think we're going to be looking at powers of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So this is 2 cubed here is 8, and then 4, 2 to the 5th power is 32. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 2 to the 5th raised to the x is equal to 2 cubed. So that means 2 to the 5 times x is equal to 2 cubed. 5x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3/5, which is allowable because for exponents the domain is all real numbers. So this is fine. Great. How about some more? We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to write each side in terms of the same base. And on the left, e to the x plus 2 is equal to 1 over e. Well, 1 over e is e to the negative 1. So what this is e to the x plus 2 is equal to e to the negative 1. And then we're going to take x plus 2 and set it equal to negative 1. So that means we're going to take x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 1 minus 2. And we're solving like we always are. X is negative 3, which again is fine. Exponents can have negative numbers. Their domain is all real numbers. Similar to that is this question on the right, where 125 is equal to 5 cubed. So 1 over 125 is 1 over 5 cubed is 5 to the negative 3. So if 5 to the 2x is equal to 5 to the negative 3rd power, then that must mean that 2 minus x is equal to negative 3. Let's subtract 2 from both sides. Negative x is equal to negative 5. And change the signs on both sides. X is equal to 5. Great. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Checks out. Lastly, let's take a look at this expression. This is similar to what we had with 8 and 32, where we're going to look at 2, 4, 8. This is 2 squared, this is 2 cubed. So what we're going to end up having here is not 8, but 2 squared to the 1 minus x. Oops. 2 cubed to the 1 minus x. 2 squared is on the right hand side. So we're going to have 2 to the 3 times 1 minus x is equal to 2 to the 2 times x plus 2. So then let's take these and set them equal to each other. 3 times 1 minus x is equal to 2 times x plus 2. So that's 3 minus 3x is equal to 2x plus 4. I think we can add 3x to both sides. 3 is equal to 5x plus 4. So that means negative 1 is 5x, which means that x is negative 1 over 5. X is negative 1 over 5, which is a real number, which is in the domain of an exponential function. Well, not e to the x, I guess it should be 2 to the x, huh? So that's a valid answer. great, and we should get in the habit of checking these answers and making sure they're in the domain. When we do logarithms, we're really going to have to worry about that. But that's not now, that'll be later, and I'll see you then. Bye.